Yo, big artist here, Tarnado, where you say that?
Oh, I go on my G.
Where you say that?
Yeah, I listen to the program loud and live, I like it.
Love it, I love it. So where you deal with brother?
But there, man, I go on all the vibes, you see me?
Yes, man. Yes,
but me, I hear you say, a 3 bad artist name you call, and it's hard for choose, you know?
Well, you know, for me, like I said, me not say Bounty Killer and a bad artist. I'm not saying that. But when anybody want to come chat about Bounty Killer the greatest and the rare, I'm like, yes, he is powerful and all them sitting there. But when it comes to artistry, lyrics and everything and rare, he's not coming nowhere close to Spragga Benz, Mad Cobra, and I personally think Mega Bantan. Bounty Killer can't chat to none of them.
Why Mega Bantan? Mega Bantan is baddest DJ alive.
Straight.
Lyrically,
yes.
I'm not lie.
Yes.
But delivery-wise, nobody better than Bounty Killer. Delivering.
Because of it, yeah, he has a presence and a voice, and when Bounty Killer walk in at anything, the whole place drop down, him not need to talk.
True.
Yes. Yes.
I true.
Yes. All right.
But
hold on there. Me I go play one bad song from one next bad artist, and I just want you lot to give me an opinion on what you think about this one. Hold on there.
Reno, I thought my neck was Reno. Oh, roll the flow. Reno.
Yeah, take go out. Don't be on the neck of fruit. Where you gonna find this?
Reno, send me next week in casino. Tarnado, sipping limo.
We're smoking Cuban. Tarnado in a new brand. Advertise can I have a friend here. Blend man. Bad. We are platinum in mouth. I show you next. 10 girl again. Yellow white.
So that is a bad artist. Yo, I'm gone. It must have tripped out. Yeah, man. Big up Tarnado, yes. Oh, yeah, exactly, Jati. How about sound right for Killer? Yeah, man. Mixing Generations, big up yourself. We just had Sir Ninja Ford in here. Mad session. You're gonna see it on YouTube. Mixing Generations, I sincerely love what you did with Peter Honeygale. That's the baddest singer this country has produced, if you ask me, in my personal opinion. But you know, sometimes my opinions are quite unpopular. Like when I say that Cobra is a badder DJ than Bounty Killer. But you know, all right, see the man here again. Well, right now we're just a reason, just talking some shit. But you know.
Yo.
Yes, me G.
Yo, but not like still. You do some research, dog. Enough man in the music. Them not know the levels where you know in the music.
Well, I'm a fan. Straight up, me a fan. Saying so, don't leave out Merciless. Merciless bad, yes.
Yeah, Merciless bad, but remember Merciless I come off a Bounty Killer, you know.
Everybody know that. Because me have some Merciless here where you hear it and you're like, hold on there. How would that?
Yeah, Killer.
Yeah. So,
but as I always say, each of them artists, the name where you call of them owner. We don't say them, yeah, them owner lane. So we would put none of them artists are better than none.
Yes.
Because between me and you, my DJ with Bounty Killer, no man can deliver like Bounty Killer.
No, of course not.
No man have lyrics like Mega Bantan. None of them. And up to now, Mega Bantan, the man a DJ like young artists, me I say, what kind of brain brother you have?
And them chop down the whole of them. Mad.
Yeah, man, bad.
Mad, you know.
But think of me alone need I say it, you know. Because what you be a talk to Mega, me I say, Mega, man, I lie, you're one of the baddest DJ them, man. From then till now.
Jano star. Jano.
Man, man, bad like yours, man. But you don't know Cabra, bad DJ. Well, say medical. Spragga, bad DJ.
I should don't know. Spragga are my #1 still, you know. Cause him do everything, you know, everything. Bad.
Bad, that's true.
And from the new, let me not say the new artist them, but for the man them that bust after 2000, I'm surprised I didn't hear more from you, but in particular, until we started to hear a lot more Tarnado from the middle of 2000 to right now. So, what was that about, if I can ask you?
You were going now. Remember, somebody start write song for Elephant, you know. So the whole of the hit song them where you hear Elephant sing back in from 2003, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Is me and a youth named Deja Vu. From China Thing to Pond the River to Badman Face na Seat. One of them sang there. But at the time we never did know the music, like know the business of the music. We feel like if we did that help some people, then we don't help we back now the music.
Yes, indeed.
So if we make somebody run the music, we expect to get a look out of the music at that time, and it never worked that way then.
Yes.
So that's why enough people never did that hear with that much, but we'll find out now about the music and say, oh, you just have to do your thing by yourself, isn't it?
Mad.
Yeah.
But, you know, you're here now, so that's great. And, you know, we love the levels where I work with, and, you know, from the newer 2000 artists, them, you're amongst my artists for the younger generation, them. So
sure. Give thanks.
Yes, man, definitely. And we love all the I just are tuned in, because you don't know me, I'm, you know, me little, but me love the music, so me just play some bad songs. See? So
yeah, man, I listen to your program, man, and I say, yo, the knowledge where you have in a music is like you need for teach music. You can't stay, yo, listen. The new artists them and the new selector them and the new people them we need for know music, they come check you.
Respect.
Because me listen and me I say, every minute me I listen, hear me. I chew him a talk, you know. Chew him a talk. But can't say no, I lie matter.
Respect, G. Respect.
Yeah, so you is a man, you know the music to the full level, may I tell you. And is a man, it's like you do your research.
Well, the thing is, Jati says so. I went to school in a reggae dancehall university, see it? So, since, you know, from me I little you from the band, you know, I would love, because we did get some sound tape in the 80s and the 90s, and because I had an older brother, so him used to bring the sound tape from school and them things, so we did listen everything, so we just love the thing, you know what I say?
Oh!
Yes, sir. So yeah, so I only started to buy 45 in 1997. And not mad enough people come. I'm 39 years old, yes. But as I done school, I definitely start by 45. So 80s and especially the 90s tune them when people like hear me play, I started to buy back them songs there because I had a brother who used to be a selector. So I used to know record label, producer them and everything. Me know the whole thing. See? Just by sight. Yeah. So at that point, that's when I knew and realized if I see a label like this, for instance, this is Sweet 56. This is a Penthouse label. But them wouldn't know that. Them wouldn't know. So
no, them wouldn't know that.
Penthouse. So that's why we buy it straight. Boom. Me know this about it. So and this song that I have in my hand right now, it's Junior Dangerous and Frisco Kid combination. Same yeah, Junior Dangerous on the line. So tomorrow, as Teddy Brockshot said, we will talk about that little more. See?
Yeah. Yeah, because you have history. Certain man vinyl. All right, you have vinyl in your hand. You know. Certain man don't know about record shopping. Them don't know about Aquarius and where I go around and Murray them to buy record and sit down. Them don't know nothing about that.
Yes, I am.
Them don't know.
Out in the UK, it was Black Dread Record, Dub Vendor, Red Record, and a few of them still, but the main one, Black Dread Cards in Brixton, and everybody come down there. Supertone Record, So I used to live in these places, you know, Dread. Trust me. You know.
Yeah.
And before I had my wife pick with them, me would go asleep hungry, I dead hungry, but me have tune in my hand.
Yeah. Yeah, about the newest thing them.
Yeah, man, you don't know. So when
we got Desperado, my general. Happy birthday.
Yeah, man.
So remember Desperado?
Yeah, come on now. You're talking to me.
Yeah. So you know, you know Desperado, the song them from them time there.
Yeah, man. Don't know.
So them man, they are a bigger brother from them time. But
Scene. You see, the thing with Desperado, hold on there. Wait. The tune where him did have, especially the biggest song where we know him for, it wasn't even on the album. This
yeah.
Clap it up.
It wasn't even on the album.
Clap your hands now.
Back. Brother! Desperado. I wrote back. So we know your music legend, you know. Yeah, man, big up Prado.
Yeah, man, don't know. And this is one of the reasons why I started to do what I'm doing now, because what I noticed that the selector them of today, not even just them, just being a selector anywhere, people don't, people do not have the 45 there. You know what I say? So everything is MP3. So if it's not online, them not on a song. So that's why me confident about Tarnado, because when the old man read him bust, have them pan 45. You know what I say? So production. So me know, boom. All right. So I can't remember. I remember say your song did it on the flip side of one of them. Me can't remember which one. Maybe Capitan or what.
I think we did it on the flip side of the Capitan.
Capitan, yeah.
Yeah, the flip side of the Capitan. Yeah.
So me I play the tune them on the radio and everything, but then one day me just alright, let me see where I go on with this one. Boom, I hear some bad lyrics on Reverend. I was like, yo, all right then.
Yeah, cause we bring that style in at the game, you know. It's the rap type of DJing that are my style that I bring to the game at them time there.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
So I did that change the music, that's why enough people gravitate to the style. Because they must say, yo, that you with a new sound.
Yeah. And
man.
I mean, so
yeah, I say when they come out with a new sound, so the people them did a gravitate to it.
Definitely.
Yeah, yes, so you don't know.
Yes.
But you don't know your program is a different program, and we need for everybody upon the life, so you share and promote that program. I call Candyman attack the real thing them about music.
Respect.
The reality thing them.
Respect.
Yeah.
It's because I'm not so long ago I set up my my YouTube channel. So it's Candyman 45 Shop, same way. But it's the Chat Bout Reggae series that I have where I'm talking to the artists them and about songs, because anybody can just interview anybody, But me, I'm trying to go into the music. See there? And I want to acknowledge this right here and now. I mean, this is not even an official thing, we're just random sitting, but you see you when you're Wiz? I'm proud of that, because Wizology, he's the one that is interviewing all of the big selector them and all of the icon them, So when I did see Wiz, interviewing Ricky Trooper, Mataran them, and even
Dylan,
love it. So I'm checking out the sit and I'm like, yo, this me did want to do with some of the artists them and rare, but I don't have my things sorted out. Me not have my logo and all them sitting there. So I was talking to Hawkeye, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, on WhatsApp and rare. So without a reason, I'm going to say, yo, me want to chat to you about something, but me not ready yet and rare, but when we're ready, I can talk to you about it. Some say, wow, go on. Some say, yo, all right, then boom. Want to come interview you about 5 songs where you're doing in your career and where. I'm saying, yo, man, whenever you're ready, road boy. And I'm thinking, you know what? Right now, because that's when this COVID thing business started and everything locked down, me I tell yo, most of the time, man, they must sit down at them yard, you know. No time like the present hour. So we just say,
sure.
Right now. And they say, yeah. And from then, and very next day, it was Danny Oates. And the next day after that, me I sit down with Mega Bantan, you know. And Mega Bantan are my artist, you know.
You're number one artist, that.
So we just... and after everything done, you know, them money I'm a budget. So for me, I have to acknowledge that Wiz was the person that let me know. Just do your thing, rude boy. Just do it. You don't need to wait for nothing fancy or just start the business and
big up Wiz to that. Big up Wiz to that.
Big up Wiz. Love Wiz.
Yeah, because enough man would have feel like you capitalize on them idea.
No, sir.
But I don't not like that. He might embrace the music and will respect that.
Yes. And my thing is different because again, like so we are reason now, right? So it's like if this was official, say yo, Chat Bout Reggae with Tarnado, rare. I would talk to you about next things when no boy can't talk to you about. See?
True.
Set up different where even if a man want to come chat to whoever about whatever, free then, but you don't have the resources I have.
No,
and
no,
that's
sir.
not to say I'm big or whatever. It's just I'm a collector of the music. So
from day one.
That's right there. Yeah. That's right there.
Because enough man can't show we a vinyl right now.
Exactly.
And so them a selector. You have to remember, suppose you go out and somebody say, yo, you know more you play a record tonight.
John Crow.
Deep trouble.
John Crow. John Crow.
Yeah, but he's a man have the thing lock. I'm like that.
Yeah, man. Respect, and I'm very humbled by the way that you even tune into anything I do and everything. So, and yeah, give me the props and whatever. So I will accept it with all humility. And, you know, respect. See it.
Yeah, man, I listen here, man. Because you may tell you something, I listen to the program, man, and I say, Jano.
Yes.
That man, I talk something where the youth them don't know. The youth them need to check you.
Definitely.
Them need to check you and you tell, because you are with enough artists nowadays. Them not really, that's why them don't respect the elder artists them. Because them don't know where them got you and them don't know. If you ask a certain artist right now, which song Mega Bantan sing, him could have even know. I don't know, say Mega Bantan is the Billboard already.
Yeah.
He's a Billboard artist.
Of course, yeah.
So, enough man for us sit down and come learn. Check out Candyman 45 shop. Come learn.
But you see, all right, Dada. You see, the thing is this. It's true, is what I just said. The thing is, I mean, even like we said, so I'm listening to the all-time selector them and the song man them are rare, and at the same thing. And it seems like in our culture of this reggae culture that we have, people are very ungrateful, and we forget the foundation and all the things set. See it? So that's why for me, when I'm talking to let's say when I was talking to Lugerman, for instance, right?
Yeah, Lugerman, big up Lugerman, Dirty Cup.
Everybody don't know Lugerman, Sean Paul, Dirty Cup, rare. But for me, it was important to let Lugerman know, say this, yo, rude boy, I'm not here to talk to you about no Sean Paul, nothing. I'm here to talk to you about Lugerman, because you is a bad artist.
Bad artist, he's a massive kid.
But boom, me want, because at the end of the day, people feel know how Sean Paul became Sean Paul in the first place. You don't
True.
Lugerman, corrupt. You know what I say?
True, yeah.
So that me I said so, and right now, you know, as I said before, you have everybody did a versus pan live. You have RZA and DJ Premier from the hip hop thing. You have Babyface and Babyface and what's name, Teddy Riley. Them do a clash.
Yeah, Mr. the Clash.
Them man there produce song for Michael Jackson enough.
True, true.
But
And right song too.
I'm beating man them from down at Kingston, wherever, them compound like them done the whole internet enough.
They make them man look like them not try.
What does that tell you about our culture?
Yeah, true. People need for soul culture.
Straight. And some man them important. Selector them important. And it's we that are responsible for the quality of the music that people have now. Bad artists like you go under the carpet because people are sponsoring pop.
Sure, yeah, you're right.
Yes. And and at that I kill the quality of the business because people do not tune into reggae dancehall to listen to Afro beats. Because reggae dancehall make Afrobeat. So if you want to listen Afrobeat, listen Afrobeat. Reggae dancehall is reggae dancehall. So I'm doing my best to let people know, yo, this is what the culture is, and this is what it was, and this is why you know about rare, whatever the artist.
Yeah.
Come on.
Because all of the artists them before inspire we as the younger artists them. So we can put them under the rug and say, yo, because here some man stay in the music. From two little people I call them name, them I say, yo, me I run the place.
Exactly.
And then now you forgot the elder artists. You forgot say Abujo, Shaba, Bounty, Beanie. You forgot all of the legend them in the music. And you start compare yourself with the legend them.
Yes, of course.
What I see enough man I do, I sit down and I preach and I say, wait, them man are sick or what? When Bounty and Beanie are working a national stadium and sting, enough of them man I come out, I pull them door, I come out, they can't even stand up in front of your gate.
Yeah, man. And you know, see the wickedest thing, even if they're gonna pay homage to the artists that not come before, as some regular CM name them a call, so they will say Bounty Killer, they will say Beanie Man, they won't say Terror Fabulous, they won't say Jigsy King, they won't say Major Worry, they will say the same word. See, that's what I have a problem with also.
Yeah, because true, most of them are alright. Why them we say Beanie and why them we say Bounty? True, Bounty and Beanie stay current from them till now.
Exactly.
But them not do the research, remember, say, you have Jigsy King, you have Frisco Kid.
Yes.
You have some man they even know Daddy Lizard. Them don't know Johnny P.
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
Yo, if you have a link for Johnny, come here, try to get him in this Instagram thing, and we now get him. So if you know a man, I beg you,
we know a link. I have the link to Johnny P and Daddy Lizard. So they're gonna be him, I make him link them up for you.
Yeah. All right. So we got 3 minutes, and I want to say this. I mean, Wiz mentioned everybody forgot about Baby Win. So the thing is, right? What I love, what I'm doing here, right? I was given a gift. I've only got 2 minutes, right? So when me I talked to Roundhead, right? I was talking about the music, of course, and of course, Roundhead come from Colin Fata Stable and Rere. So
yeah, man, Roundhead in general.
Yeah, Roundhead I talk about Baby Wayne and Rere. But you know, I'm not a man that's gonna talk about people business because I'm into the music. But when Roundhead start talk about Baby Wayne and the drug use, me like rotted. And it bunny man, him and Capitan, they try and pull him out of it and Rere. Me say, blood.
True, man.
So and I'm not a man, I'm not gonna ask about that, but him says so. So me say, rot. So that's when I really began to realize how powerful this something is. And then
but
power, man.
I don't cut you, but you know, say when you put the body set a DJ them, you know what for add Baby Wayne in night to left out Baby Wayne. Yeah, bad DJ, bad DJ.
Bad. Yo,
so can't left him out of the slot of the baddest DJ them.
Definitely.
Him a one of the man them where me stand up and watch DJ and me and say, yo, alright, anytime we have Baby Wayne buck up and show the people them say, youth, no disrespect to you know, but here what? We want to hear Baby Wayne.
Of course. No one on the truth. Me no want to feel don't talk on them one truth.
Yeah, man. Dangerous artist, man.
Planet Dirts, man, them, and you know, it's just unfortunate. And Wiz was talking to the great Papa Son, and everybody depend, yo, asking about Dirtsman, and I was like, you know what? That's his private business. So if you don't want to talk about it, don't ask. So me never ask man about Baby Wayne, but then talk about Baby Wayne and the man driving.
Yeah, Power Man I got talk about Baby Wayne, because you know Power Man are the roots.
Yeah. Yo,
the roots, Power Man.
Off, you know? Yo, the line got cut off. We are rope in back. Okay? All right.
All right. Reload it.
Yeah, we are going to restart.
Oh, Papa Son. That's the next scenario again, man.
That's a next conversation all day long, you know.
Papa Son. Remember Admiral Bailey. Papa Son.
Yeah. Tiger.
Yeah. Stitchy. Carly Ford Stitchy.
Yes.
Them man, they are the man them we used to run the thing for a while.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Definitely. Because it's them man because when we was a youth, them man they will make me love dancehall, you know.
Sure.
And I've always been a type of person from when born. I don't like the obvious things. So even though Ninja Man was definitely bad, and so was Shabba, my thing was Johnny P, Bailey, Tiger them, and Pop. You know what I mean? The man didn't get exactly.
Yeah.
My DJ them there. See?
Yeah, because Johnny P them used to be like how you'd have the alkaline, you know, back in the days.
Yeah.
Johnny P them was the man like that, the vibes artist, and
yeah. Johnny P was my Spragga Benz.
yeah.
You know,
true your talk.
Yeah, man. Cater for the girl.
You know, I wonder warm to culture. Cause remember Ghost and culture. Yeah.
No idea. You know where I'm gone.
No.
The last culture song me of, I think is 1994. I don't know where I'm gone.
Yeah. Culture is a good artist.
Yeah. I would love to speak to Ghost Rider to find out, you know, some of the business, and you know, obviously it's Ghost and culture. I them man did the role first, you know.
Sure.
So I would, you know, but
I have a link to General B, so
you know what? Me I gonna share a joke with you. So me I talk with General B and him say yeah. In fact, he said yes before Roundhead say yes. I may interview Roundhead more than 1 month, whatever it was, right? But every time me approach General B, say yo, big man, me would I love to see you come on the platform and give us a story and rare. You know what I'm saying? Up. And that's him say up, just straight up, just like that. So what that mean? So I say, yo, so whenever you're ready, rude boy, you know what I'm saying? Up. And the next thing me say, up. I'm like, oh God, am I supposed to decode this? He must want me watch the Disney movie when I'm up to find out where am I saying? But you know, me just leave people to what them do.
Yeah, but I link him for you, man. I make some links for you because I say you is a man, you're real to your thing, you're real to your game.
Yeah, I beg you, I really appreciate that, man.
Yeah, you're true to your game, so we have to embrace it.
Yes.
When I see you are I'm willing to embrace what you are do.
Yes.
That's what I say, because you are make me now. Cause the same thing where you do, I sit down and I do my research, you know.
Yes.
And I used to there around the Arrows, I used to there Arrows studio, and I sit down and I watch all of the artists them and I learn from them.
Yes.
So
well, we hear that, you know, the baddest artists them from the 2000 generation them are the ones that study. So there's you, Saska, Dog.
Yeah.
I would say, even though he was a little before 2000, but I would say Kunli from 121. My artists them definitely pay homage to the people them that come before, and you can hear the music.
Yeah, well, with Conley them now, Conley them maybe get the break kind of late, but Conley them, their own jammies and their own all of the circle of the artists them, so you know what go on same way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's a man, 'cause I don't know Jam is at the spot.
Of course.
But all of the artists them come out and all the vibes, you see me?
Yes.
So
Yes.
him know what I go on to, man.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, him definitely know what I go on.
Definitely.
Him know the
So
Black Shadow sound, big up.
yes.
Yeah. So we did a reason upon who the last who did that talk about?
We were basically we were talking about I think we're talking about how people underappreciate the culture.
Yeah,
So we did
yeah, that's the topic.
Yeah, dancehall is the biggest music without fail. And you know why me say so? It's because through slavery, right?
Yeah.
The people that made it to the Western world were the strongest of the strong because they survived the boat ride, right?
True.
So already you're looking at the strongest people on planet Earth, period, right?
True.
So
True.
to survive the horrific experience that they survived and went through slavery, to then eventually give birth to this new thing called reggae that did not exist before. And from the birth of reggae being what it was a music that even the Jamaican government did fight against from morning.
Yeah, because through the Rastas.
Marley, a world superstar before he died, right?
Yeah, true.
Remember, all of this is coming from little Jamaica, you know?
True,
and even
true.
before that, you have a thing with named Marcus Garvey.
True.
An immigrant in America, right? And he is the reason why the FBI was invented. One black man from little Jamaica, you know?
True,
so
true.
show you how powerful the land of Jamaica and the offspring we are. You know what I say? So we're powerful.
True.
So everything that we do, the world I look upon, little Jamaica.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And you have the whole of the Caribbean, and they go on like say, yo, if Caribbean is a football team, Jamaica are the captain. See?
True.
So we don't know our value in terms of the world is looking at us musically as the very, very, very best. But we don't realize this. So that's why we allow them, the big music people from wherever, to come in and just deal with some fuckery and just, you know what I mean?
True.
You know?
That's the main reason why when Mandela get free up, him enter Jamaica.
Yes, first.
The first place, because him know say, yo, the powers they in Jamaica.
Yes.
And the song them with Jamaicans sing kind of help him run off in time, because him know say, yo, me I listen to the song them and him I hear everybody I say, yo, the song them from Jamaica is like the Jamaican artist was singing about Mandela only.
Yes. Not the rappers.
No.
America. Yeah.
Yeah. So him know say, yo, we're connected.
And I saw an interview where Shabba said when Mandela was released and they were gonna do the concert something, the first artist where Mandela called for a Shabba ranking.
Yeah.
Not Dennis Brown, a singer, DJ Graffer.
Yeah, true.
So that's madness, Aya. So that just goes to show how powerful the Jamaican culture is, especially our music, because everybody knows hip-hop, the father of hip-hop, Jamaica.
Jamaican, true.
Sound system culture that make hip-hop.
True.
So that's madness, Aya. So
true.
I mean, so for me, as somebody who you know, my mother is from Jamaica, of course, so it's my duty as a Jamaican, and B, somebody who's gifted that can select bad tune in a certain way, and somebody with the actual song. I have to do this, Bertrand.
True. Man, you have to do it, man.
You know, no choice.
You have to do it, and yes. I love it.
Yes,
respect. I love it, because when I listen, it does refresh my mind a certain thing, and certain thing when I don't know, I learn from you.
Because you know, so here my thing now also, right? It's like it's my job to try my best because again, as you hear me say all the time, we don't want no man dead for drop out and then we start healing them about say
Yeah, and give them prayers, yeah.
Right now. So you see me, so when me draft you know, I see Angie Angel come on the platform, big up yourself, Empress. Right? So when I see the godmother, Angie Angel, I'm gonna say, yo, me not even have too much Angie Angel song to be honest, you know, but I cannot let this opportunity go run past me because if she appear me in mind and she is one of the reasons why I am a selector in the first place, me have to do my best to echo our work and say, yo, people, and I'll lay this sign up. Angie Angel come first.
Sure.
You know what I say?
Sure.
So, you know, so it's again, it's my duty. And it's unfortunate for me that the world does not know. For instance, everybody should know Angie Angel's name.
Yeah.
Because they don't realize the tune where she met people about like, oh yeah, because I've had this before. People come up, oh, you got that Lady Soul song? What Lady Soul? Agony or whatever. I'm like, Lady Soul.
No.
But they don't know.
Snow Prop, big up.
They don't know.
Sure, them don't know because them don't understand. So ladies come after.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mama Nancy, you understand?
Sister Carol, all of them, Charmaine.
Yeah, Sister Charmaine and them artists, they're bad.
Yes.
But true ladies now get that bigger break and the 45 and all of these things, more 45 come out, them gonna feel like say, yeah.
Yes.
But
yes.
to the end of this, Lady G, true.
Bad, yeah.
Lady G with Papa San, so you don't know, big up Lady G.
Yeah, man.
So it's a whole different scenario where the youth them fear well and know them history.
Yes, of
because
course.
You can't go overseas for an interview and then when them ask you say, hey, who are the first female artists or who are the first artists who hit the billboard from Jamaica?
Them
you don't know.
Yeah. No, sir.
You don't know. You have to do the research and this is the right platform for learn certain things.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? So
yeah,
these are the platform where artists, selectors, will want to know the business, for link Candyman 45 shop and learn all of the something them.
Respect.
You see me?
Love that.
Yeah.
Love that. Respect.
Yeah, these are the platform where I work with right now.
Respect. Respect. You know, and you know, it's just, I mean, because I'm not even. Me just play a tune and me just collect song and everything there, and we play a couple dance. So I'm not even that selector in the UK. But to be honest, I probably shouldn't say this, but me I say this, me no business. I don't even go to too many dances, you know, because me not like what I go on in the dance.
No.
Me can't do it.
No, nowadays dance.
Some hardcore song, and them now go play no paned. Or no Grindsman and Penny or them not play them song.
You know what caused that?
Yeah.
You know what caused that? Money.
Of course.
Nowadays a man have a song him coming at the dance and the selector them where you just want money.
Yes.
So a man we pay your money and you pull up the song all 10 times. Which is 15 songs can play in another space there.
Yes, of course.
So one time when we go dance, one time, you used to have the party a bill a come up.
Yes.
You have certain type of song where I hear from early. So we know so we listen to the panel them, the rounded them a come up and then it reach in a different. Alright. Nowadays the man they're not playing a singer again. Notice?
No.
I'm not hearing a singer. I do some DJ where claims that them a singer through auto-tune and that's how we're going in music. Where the singer them there? Where the bad singer them are we?
Yeah.
Where we know, where the Tony Curtis them, where singing melody them there?
Yeah.
but the man them is singing.
Yeah.
But at the selector them, I'd mash up the game. And more them listen and know say, yo, you have people out there who really want to hear them singer.
Real music.
Yeah, real music. Fair play.
Because, like I said, if you want your trap, go a blood clot Miami. Go listen to your trap. This is Jamaica and reggae music we are taught. We want to hear some reggae music. Otherwise, call the music something else and do whatever you're doing. But don't call this, don't mix this with our thing, because that's not, you know, at the end of the day. No, man, not go so. And, you know, but the thing is, at least, is that we have people like you, artists that you are around for the, you know, let's say the no ideas artists them that have the quality of the great artists, because we're not expecting you to be bad like Stitchy and Sandem and Rere. We don't want that. We want you to be bad like you, but just be bad and give us some quality music. You see me?
Exactly.
Yeah. You know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So all the thing we can do are add to feed them craft and make when them sit down, them proud.
Yes.
That mean when the artists them know back in the days, I listen we them proud for no say yo.
Yeah.
No say them really are. But nowadays it's like the artists them back in the days I say but we never used to DJ them thing there. Because nowadays the man them a DJ everything, the man them all a DJ, so them a devil, man a DJ, man a discriminate woman. Yes, sir. But we don't grow up on them type of music, yeah. We don't know nothing about them music, yeah.
But you see the thing with the youth them, they understand say hype sells, not quality. So when them attack them bag of fuckery, they realize if anything, I'm gonna trend on Twitter or Instagram or Rare through me off through my name. You know what? I'm gonna make the first Ballcat song in a dancer. You know what I said?
True.
Just to get their name out there in the public eye, like this idiot where they are America right now with the entanglement Rare. Why you have to come out and say you and Jada Pinkett are doing that little thing? You know why? Because your artistry is not good enough by itself. So you have to create some foolish scandal and then you bust your music on the scandal. The other day, him just put out the tune with Rick Ross ball about entanglement Rare. What kind of foolishness is that? Where's your music, rude boy? Let's hear your music. We don't want to hear about no entanglement on the snitching Rare, but that's the game right now. So they'd rather put out some idiotness which cause controversy rather than quality because they realize it's harder.
Yeah, but the controversy now only lasts a month.
But they don't know that.
Yeah, because if you check it, back in the days, the certain artists can sing only 4 songs.
Yes.
And them 4 songs there will last him for lifetime.
Yes.
Nowadays, hear the man must sing some music by 3 months. I say, how would the song be gone? It's just a hype, the song gone. And then and then on the keep on affair say, now it is dancehall are the baddest dancehall. Why? Because the man them sit down and them do producing. You have the producer, you have the artist, the producer go down and write the song, so him say, here what? Go home, go sit down and write the song.
Yeah.
And come back.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? Nowadays a man have him laptop, him sit down in him house, him build a one song, as we say, him build some craft around it and put it out.
Yeah.
It a mix good. So when it play against a hip hop music, the hip hop music kill it because the quality, it not mix, it not master.
Yeah.
So at them thing that I mash up the nowadays music. When I say certain man I do the music writing. But
Nedo, hear me I say now, right? Big up Red Rat, by the way. Big up Red Rat. Hear me I say. Because
on the road.
Yeah. When I say I'm ready to work with the newer days young artists and the music where them having up. But I just true as you say, okay, may I tell you a wicked thing? I think the reason why everything in the world right now that we've been talking about, right? Everything we can think of. So that means TV, sports, and rare. What it is, I find, is that we are living in a microwave society.
True,
Back in
true.
ideas is to cook your food, season it good, and make it slow cook, and it tastes lovely, and feed the whole family. But right now, you just put in something in the microwave, 2 minutes, and boom, there's the dinner. So I think the society has this mentality. Because, you know what? Back in the days, if you like a TV show, you have to wait every single week, one episode come. But now what you have? Netflix, Disney this, Amazon, Rare, everything you want, you can just watch in one go. So if you want to watch Game of Thrones, boom, every episode in a one day.
True.
People do not have the patience. So unfortunately, creativity in any music genre suffers because it's the fast food mentality. You know?
Yeah, true. It's a fast, But what I'm saying, I'm not bashing the newer artists them, no. But what I'm saying, the production, most of the production them now have the quality.
That too, that's the same thing.
It's just that, but artists bad and him a sing good and him have him talent, but we're just talking about the production.
It's
itself.
A need for speed. A need for speed. They want to go quick. No.
So, it want to go quick and that'll mash up the music.
So first of all, big up Master Kid in there. So all right, for instance, so Jeremy Too Hard, right? Jeremy Too Hard have like, let's say, 2 rhythm in a 90, no, in fact, 1 rhythm in 97. That is the player gone rhythm, right?
Yeah.
But you know how long before him released the next rhythm? 98 gone, you know. So Dave Kelly them him put out 1 rhythm. Whole year gone. Him not recently. You see myself?
No, him no need to do that because the production stand up and it a go bust.
Exactly.
One time 1 rhythm run for 2 years.
Straight. Put out the rhythm.
2 years that run straight. And then you have more song will come bust off of the rhythm. When certain song bust,
yes,
certain song will bust first, and then you have a next set of songs slowly come bust from the rhythm again.
Exactly.
So we now have that again. At that we shorter that. And now most of the artists them have too much ego. Cause one time me used to go Anchor, me used to go Arrows, me used to go there. So when we reach there, you see all 15 artists, and 15 artists are trying to go up on 1 rhythm. So you have to get that shot.
Yes, indeed.
And each artist embrace the next artist. Well, you done voice quick for him, go in there, go voice.
Yes.
So one time you used to have enough artists. So from what you say, a bad rhythm round a jam is every artist I go around it.
Yes.
You understand? And everybody stays so your song at work when you have people I say, no, take out that and fix that and the production. But no, the man them a man just sit down and him a do what him feel like him want to do, and him a sing what him feel like him want to sing. So the song them bad, but the production is not really there.
Yes, indeed.
So that are the problem where me kind of have. You understand?
Well, you know, like again, so what I do or why I do what I do, because me want whoever, I don't know who, but whoever to listen if they do, and listen to them backing ideas, nice tune we make, and say, yo, I them the tune that we want to make, you know. Let me listen to boy, let me hear what the tune them and rare, let me know the artists and rare. So we can buy some song with this energy. Not the same music, but the same energy. See? The
same energy, the same vibes, and the same type of production.
Yes.
Where song really where song really mix and master. One time a song mix, then we have to go around and Anchor go get it master. And then we sit down and we play it in a 10 different thing.
Yes.
To make sure the sound right. And if it's not right, we carry it back.
Yes. Go mix again.
Go back to the drawing board again.
Yes.
Nowadays, a man voice a song. If they want to mix it, he must balance it. Balance it and put it out. So I say, I want to go on music, you know. So one of the artists them now for know say, listen to her. Remember say the world dancehall music. They're right now, they're to the world.
Of course.
And the people them are listen.
Yo, it's been that way from the very beginning, Aya. Very beginning, Aya. You know, from when Yellow Man I get Grammy in 1981. Grammy, you know. So from morning.
Yellow Man get Grammy?
Yellow Man get Grammy, yes, he have 2 Grammy in the 80s.
We all say. No, me never know that. That's why I have to see about that platform, yeah. That teach me.
Yeah, man. A Shabba did look on Yellow Man and say, yo, Grammy that. We can get Grammy. That's how Shabba get him Grammy.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yellow Man is the boss. And then
yeah, man. I know Yellow Man big and are the king.
Yeah. Grammy.
But you see it, but people need fair talk them thing there. Because the youths them don't know.
See, them go on, as Farmer did say, them born and them know everything. Them born bad, them born perfect, them born this, them born that, but them don't know nothing because they don't speak to the real people. Them will set the thing. How many people will sit down at the foot of our Yellow Man and whoever, Power Man and Rere? You did write big song for Elephant Man them and Rare Tear, right? So
sure.
say you study the thing. You see me?
Yeah, true.
So much so that the biggest artist at the time, I draw for European enough. I say, yo, you want some song? Boom. See it there?
True.
So, you know, I think, and I do believe right now, with all of this Black Lives Matter area and all of the information that is coming out about Black history, if people understood where we are from musically, that will give you a next inspiration to, you know, because when you know about your history, you would then say, yo, my forefathers were kings and we invented this, we invented that. If you know that that is your family history, you will have a responsibility to go and do them things yourself.
Yeah, true, your talk, man.
See? So I think if we knew the reggae history, especially the dancehall DJs, something, because they always, when it comes to the reggae thing, Bob Marley, maybe Gregory, maybe Dennis Brown, Maxi
Dennis Brown,
Hammond, maybe, right? But them not talk about none of the DJ them, you know. Nobody not talk about no Daddy Screw or you know. So at them thing there, me want to see DJs included in the history of Jamaica, not just reggae, Jamaican history.
Sure.
Yeah. But, you know, who am I at the end of the day?
That's true.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right,
so,
big man, we just want to say thank you and I appreciate you and respect for the reasoning. And we have to go do this again and just talk some. Oh, by the way, tell us what you got going on right now so we can just tune in, yeah?
Yeah, man. Right now, me have some new song that come out and me have song out there right now. Me have a song with me and Bounty Killer Hustlard. It a go on good.
Yeah.
And me have a song, me have a girl song with them Gallus Anthem. And me have a song with me, Pint Zero and Was.
See it?
Yeah, a trio.
Boom.
So I have a new video come. Some of us want the people them log in and show the support same way because we're up and running. And I like say we stop the music. We never stop the music. So the fans them when not here for us log in. You see me?
Yes.
So big up C9, big up Smooth 9 record. Big up everybody on the live, you see me? We'll show them support.
Yes,
people are here on the platform to learn the dancehall. Learn where dancehall come from and where it go.
Respect, Aya.